Welcome to Foxtecc. In this video, I'll show you how to check if an iPad is real. Whether you're buying a secondhand iPad or just want to make sure your device is legitimate, there are a few simple ways to verify its authenticity. Let's go through the steps. The first thing you should do is check the model number. Open Settings, go to General, then tap About. Look for the model number and search it on Apple's website to confirm that it matches an actual iPad model. If the model doesn't exist, that's a big red flag. Next, check the serial number. You'll find it in the same About section in Settings. Take that number and enter it on Apple's check coverage website. This will tell you if the iPad is registered in Apple's system. If Apple doesn't recognize the serial number, then it's likely not a real iPad. Another way to spot a fake is by downloading an app from the App Store. A genuine iPad will always have Apple's App Store, while fake ones may run Android and use the Google Play Store instead. If you see Google Play anywhere on the device, it's not an iPad. You can also test it by connecting it to a computer. Use iTunes or Finder on macOS, Catalina, and later to see if the iPad is recognized. A real iPad will show up as an Apple device, while a fake one usually won't be detected properly. Finally, look for Apple exclusive features like iCloud, FaceTime, and iMessage. Many counterfeit iPads lack these settings, or they may have fake versions that don't actually connect to Apple's servers. If anything seems off in the settings menu, it's worth investigating further. That's how you can check if an iPad is real. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more Apple tips. Thanks for watching, and see you later.